Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to use a PyGame and create a basic screen and also add a color to the screen. And then we are going to uh, add a circle. So first, we need to import PyGame. I have already installed PyGame on my system. You can use pip or pip3 command. You can type pip and then install and then PyGame. We can type import PyGame. To start PyGame, we need to initialize an instance of all the PyGame modules. We can do this by calling the init function PyGame, PyGame.init. Now we need to set up the game screen size. So I'm going to set the width and height of a screen. So I'll have variable width, which is width set to 400, and then height set to 600. And now we can use a PyGame's display dot set underscore mode, and we can pass in the width and height. Width and height. Now I'm going to set up the game screen color. Color are represented by numbers. Every color is made of 3 numbers. Each number represents the situation of red, green, and blue in that order. We can use numbers between 0 and 255. For example, when all numbers are 0, game screen will be black. So let's define our colors and save in some variable. So we will make a global variable for each color and use the name of the color instead. Here we are going to add our different colors such as black, red, and green. And now I will add over here after our init function. I will add color black, which will be set to all 30 values. And then I will have a red color set. And this will be 255 and 0, and the last one 0 also. After this, I will set green color with the values 0, 255, 0. So I'll be using one of these colors. And in order to set the color, we use the fill function. So I'm going to get a screen by this one over here, this function. This will return us a game screen. So I will name it screen or our screen, our underscore screen. And now I can fill in the color by calling our screen dot fill function and passing color our underscore fill and pass in our color. So which color I want to select? I will go with the black. Now the color of our screen is that we can draw a circle. So I'm going to use our pygame dot draw dot circle function and pass in our screen, our screen, and the color of a circle. I will use green and then need to pass in the position. As position arguments means the position where the center of the circle will be located. Since it is x and y coordinates, so it will have two values in parentheses. So I will select 250 and 300, and then I need to pass in the radius. And now I will make a while loop and place this action under our while, and I need to set the while loop to true. That means it will keep on looping. Or so I will add while true. This will make this loop true. And now I need to add pygame.display.update function. After this, pygame, this is pygame dot display dot update function. Now we are ready to run our program. I'll just save it, and I made a mistake everywhere over here. It should be pygame. I added extra a, which is not required. Need to remove it because it's pygame. This should come over here, comma separated with and high values. And we can run our program by typing Python 3. It's gonna be Python 3, then our program name, game underscore demo.py, and hit enter. And here is our screen with the black background and our green ball. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asemka. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.